In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a dialogue in Roblox Studio. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to open your Roblox Studio. And then what you're going to do here is to simply go to Avatar. And then after that, go to Rig and then select the type of rig here. Let's just say block avatar. Tap this one. And then this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do is to go to start. You follow what I'm going to select here. Okay, and then you just have to simply go to properties and then kindly change the name of this one. So you can also put this as dialogue one. Okay, now you can go back to Explorer and see that there's a dialogue one here. Now you have to add screen GUI, tap this one. Okay, and then you add frame also. Now here what you're going to do is just simply drag a frame to the front of your character or your avatar. So this is what it looks like. And now you just have to add some text. Now you can say something here, add something here, for example, hello. If you want to change the settings of this, then all you have to do is to go to properties. There you can see text size, text font, okay, and then you can also edit your text there. So you just have to go to properties and then look for text settings, then you can edit everything here. Okay, even the color if you want. Now after that, after you added or changed the text, you can also drag it. If you want to drag it to the center, you can also drag. Okay, and you want to make it bigger, yes you can. You just have to simply change the size here. Once done, what you're going to do is you go to properties, tap this frame, and then look for visible, tap visible. So it looks like this. Okay. And then once done, go back to your dialog and then click enhance. Now here, what you're going to do is to simply add a character. Okay, so look for character, tap this one here, and then click this plus icon. Now look for any character that you want. Okay, for example, humanoid, something like that. Or everything is up to you. It's just an example. Okay, and then after that, you can now add script to this. Okay, so plus icon and then look for, before anything else, you have to look for proximity prompt. Okay, tap this one and then go and add some script. Now, what you're going to do is simply follow this one. You can copy this. Okay, I try to leave the link down below. Or if I can't, then you can just simply copy this one, write the same thing, but actually everything is up to you if you want. Okay, and then after that, once you're done with this, and you can go back to your base plate and then look for anchor if you want. And then after that, what you're going to do is just simply tap play. And there, that's how easy it is to add some dialogue on Roblox Studio. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.